Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another tutorial. And so guys, have you ever watched the transition on the certain video? Let's say you found it from the social media like TikTok or Instagram or the YouTube reel, etc. like this, the zoom in transition. As you can see, every clip has its own zoom transition. And do you would like or would you like to know to how to create this zoom transition? Here in this video, I will show you how. So I will go back to the project, and here I am using the Capcut from my smartphone, and I will click new project. Then I will choose the random photo or picture from my gallery. Let's say I will add several photos about this delicious bakery. I will choose 5 pictures here that I will combine it into a video. And I will also mute this clip. I mean the every clip for this in this video. And I will also remove the watermark at the end of the clip. Then, well, it is actually the same way to create the animation or the keyframe. And if we start it from the clip 1, then don't forget add the keyframe from the initial until the end of clip 1 here. Add the keyframe, and let's say you would like to zoom this cake or this bread. As you can see here, the zoom in is already being created, and you will go into the graph to make sure the motion or the movement of the zoom in effect. Then I will choose this cubic in and I will apply it. Then I will do the same way to the another clip. Add the keyframe on the clip 2 and do the zoom in. Like you would like to magnify the certain object from this photo. And always choose the graph to make sure the movement of this animation. Let's say I will try out the cubic out. Or you can also reduce the duration of each clip or each picture. Let's say I will reduce it to become 1 plus 5 seconds. And again, I will create the keyframe first. Then I will go back to the initial when I create this keyframe of the clip third. Let's say I will choose circular. and apply it. And also I will do the same for the rest of the clip. I will reduce the duration and create the keyframe from the first until the last of this clip fourth. And I will, don't forget to give it the zoom in effect, drag or magnify the picture into the object that you would like to focus on, and we will going to the graph and choose the graph that represent or that you would like to give for this picture. And the last clip, I will reduce the duration to add the keyframe on the first and the last section and do the magnify with drag it by your two fingers. And after that, scroll it to the left a little bit so this graph can be activated, and we can choose the graph that we would like to apply on. I will choose flow 2. Then let's see the result. Zoom in. I'm sorry, let's play here. So I think this effect or this animation keyframe also suitable if you would like to, let's say, promote your product on the social media platform and also add several effects to make it more dramatic. That's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or is there any feedback for this video, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. And if you would like to watch our another video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye bye.